Hello, so as you can probably tell from the title of this video, today we are going to be looking at the Power Acoustic single din CarPlay stereo. Quick disclaimer for anyone that's watching from the UK, this is from Walmart in the US. I've been looking for a single din CarPlay stereo for a very long time. Without a flip up screen. The only ones that I can ever find are the ones that are from like AliExpress, China type ones. This is the first one that I've seen sold in a proper store, I guess. So it's a Power Acoustic CP-71w. I've not been able to find this for sale in the UK. I actually got a work colleague to purchase it for me, and then one of my friends was on holiday in the US and they brought it back for me. So today we'll be fitting it to my Honda Civic. I know there is options to get double dins fitted to the Honda Civic, but the cost to do that is way too expensive, and I think this was $130 or $40, so not too bad at all. But yeah, let's get started and unbox it. So it comes obviously with a little wiring kit. I guess one of my biggest fears of buying this stereo was this exact thing. So it comes with like a universal plug. So I did kind of expect that this was a potential thing to happen. So what I actually have already done is bought this adapter, which we're going to have to basically cut and then solder the wires to create our own kind of harness. But that should be fine. And then in this little bag as well, you've got some removal keys for the cage, which are always very useful. A little remote and a GPS antenna. Got your instruction book, and then we've got the actual stereo itself. With a USB cable there as well, so we'll have to think of what we're going to do with this USB cable when we go to install it. Got all of your usual connections. It does actually have inputs for a front and rear camera. You've got two subs, and then obviously your speaker connections there, your GPS antenna, and that's the front there. On first opinions, it actually looks really nice. The build quality of the front looks really good, but obviously we'll see what the screen is like. So yeah, first job for us is going to be soldering our wiring harness, and then we should be able to get it fitted. Right, so I've soldered my wiring harness. I just need to go and grab some electrical tape just for one of them because the shrink wrap didn't go over properly, but it should be good. So yeah, we'll go and get it installed and see what it's like. A real quick disclaimer just before we fit this stereo, I did go back and cut the power cable and resolder it with the proper heat shrink, because I knew, you know, it wasn't very good if I was gonna just wrap it in heat tape, so I've redone it. So yeah, let's get it fitted and see if it works. Also, we'll just do a quick test run first, and then obviously we'll fit the cage, work out where the USB is going and everything, but just want to see if my harness actually works. Yes. think as well they've just recently released an update and you can change what's displayed on that startup screen. But yeah, super first impressions. The screen's super responsive. That was one of my concerns, but it seems pretty good. So we'll take it all apart and then pop it in and refit it. Right, so that's it all installed now. I'll turn it on so you can see the startup time. I don't think it's too bad by the time you're sorted and you're driving. And there you go, straight into the menu. So there we go. It cut my video because I'm filming on my phone, so might not join up, but yeah, there's the CarPlay side of it, which I think is the biggest selling point, and it looks great. Like I say, the responsiveness is fine. I've personally not fitted the GPS antenna. I've seen somebody online say they didn't do theirs, but yeah, so far so good. I guess I'll put an update in the comments once I've used it for a week or so. But yeah, no complaints at all so far.